Today on our 2017 GMC Terrain, we're going to be doing a test fit on the Yakima CoreBar TimberLine Tower Roof Rack system using part numbers Y00421 and Y00147. The Yakima CoreBars let you build an aerodynamic, heavy-duty roof rack system on your GMC Terrain. This roof rack system is going to allow you to carry roof-mounted bike racks, cargo boxes, baskets, and much more. Compared to round or square bars, the teardrop shape is going to allow you to control airflow to significantly decrease wind noise and vibration. The CoreBars are made out of a heavy-duty steel construction, which enables them to carry more weight than traditional roof rack systems. That's up to 220 pounds, though you'll want to be sure and check with your GMC's owner's manual to see if your roof can support that much. The CoreBars are attached to the TimberLine Towers, which allow them to be attached to your raised rails. They secure with a steel strap that's rubber-coated so it won't harm or scratch your raised rails. Each TimberLine Tower can be locked to further secure it to your GMC. And you can pick up some Yakima locking cores with part number Y07204. Now we'll give you some measurements for clearance. From the top of the roof to the underside of the bar is about 2¼ inches. From the top of the roof to the top of the bar is about 3½ inches. Now that we've gone over the features, I'll go ahead and show you how to get it installed. Now I've already got the front one installed on our GMC Terrain. The rear one installs the same way. Let's go ahead and get started. We'll start by grabbing our TimberLine Tower, and we need to get it assembled to work with our CoreBar. We'll grab the plastic bracket, and we're going to fit it into the top until it snaps in. Then we'll take the CoreBar bracket and set it directly on top. And then I'm going to tighten up the screw on bottom. Now in order to access it, we need to be sure that our strap is pushed all the way forward. We'll hold it in place, then take my included tool and tighten it down. Now the unique thing about this tool is it has a integrated torquing device, and once you hear 3 clicks, it means that it's properly torqued down. Perfect. Now once we have it put together, we're going to slide it onto our CoreBar. Then while we're here, let's go ahead and put on our end cap. Now we're ready to put it in position on our raised rails. We want to be sure that the round portion of the bar is facing forward. Be sure and feed the strap underneath the raised rail on both sides. Now we need to make sure our bars are parallel. So I'm going to set mine as wide as it will go on my raised rails. I'm going to take a measurement, center on center. And I'm going to make sure it's the same for both sides. Now there's a little arrow here on our tower. We want to make sure that that's center with the top of the raised rail. Once we've done that, we can take our strap and put it in place like that. And we can do that for both sides. With both straps run, let's go ahead and tighten them down. And again, since we're using our included tool, we're going to be looking for 3 clicks. Perfect. Now let's make sure we have even bar overhang. So we can take a tape measure here and measure from the tower out to the end of the bar and make sure it's the same on both sides. I already know I need to come a little bit this way. So I'll measure it again, and then I'll check the other side. Once we have even bar overhang, we can tighten down the bolt just inside the TimberLine Tower. And you guessed it, 3 clicks. And finally, we can put on our end caps. Now we're ready to load up our favorite accessory and hit the road. And that's going to complete our test fit of the Yakima CoreBar TimberLine Tower Roof Rack system on our 2017 GMC Terrain.
Thanks for watching. Click the link in our description below to shop, learn more, or visit us at Etrailer.com and leave a comment if you have any questions.